Today is December 4 and yay, finally 2 days straight of vlogging. Yesterday's vlog was super long and I'm actually uploading that right now. Anyways, today is a Sunday and today is my mom's store's grand opening. If you guys don't know my mom's store, it's at On Display QC on Instagram and Facebook, so please do check it out. Follow them and share them if you guys have time to visit the store. It's at Borromeo, Quezon City. So I am about to leave the house. I am all ready, did my makeup and my outfit. So yeah, also if you're watching this, most probably my newest video is up, which is my holiday gift idea, so please check it out. Anyways, that's gonna start at 4 p.m. so let's go. So before I leave, let's do a quick OOTD. So my dress is from Adidas and I am just wearing my Adidas NMDs. These are the red ones. So yeah, basically Adidas. Guys, I'm with Ate Joyce. Hi, thank you po for coming.
Thank you for having me. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. See you soon. Hi, Ate Mom! Hello! Hi!
Hi! Ano?
Welcome!
Bagay sa akin yung mga ganitong pang girly, no?
Behind the scene at the Nina's vlog.
Guys, yung nakikita nyo mga patches, sa kanila yun. Ayan o. May naman ako. Hi!
Dapat Nina, hello! Ate Aisha!
Hello, Lexy!
Si Ate Pam, kilig na kilig kay AC. Ay, sige lang ba yun?
Napanood nga daw yung ano, sabi niya, ay, the girl in YouTube that tries to put makeup on.
Tries lang.
Feeling ko pag sa next YouTube event, siguro kasama siya. So, namutan siya, tapos mag-perform siya, tapos maninigas na naman ako sa kilig. Uy!
Fangirl mode on.
Yes.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Please na naman! Uy, picture tayo! Ah!
Guys, si Ate Pam, fangirling. Hi, AC.
Hello!
Yeah, sample.
Sample ng ano?
Yes. Dab.
Sabay tayo. 1, 2,
Wait, sama ko.
sige. 1, 2, 3, down!
Guys, AC is leaving. Nice meeting you. Hope to see you soon.
Ate talaga ni AC.
Oo nga eh.
Bye-bye!
Huwag ka dihiras pala.
Thank you! Bye-bye! Meet you!
Kain na kami, guys.
Paano kumain ng cupcake ang magaganda? Yung ano mo dama.
Ay, matatakaw.
Ito chocolate.
Gusto sa banana.
May kumuha ng cookies and cream ko. Di ba, baby? Di ba?
Hello, Yala. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello. I watch your vlog.
You do? Do you wanna? Tem, hinahanap ko ni Ate Pam.
Inong na pa ang maghanap ng lalaki sa basketball game. Grabe, Steph! Para kayo nangyayari.
Kasi, ba't nag-watch pa sa MOA eh?
Trot! Anong game?
Basketball. AB? Hindi ko alam eh.
Guys, may look ba tayo from?
Din magpatato kagaya ni Ate.
Ito. Ang kulit na, guys.
Ano sa pamilya niya, gusto ko din magkaroon ng channel na about sa pamilya, ganon. Kaso sa future pa, bata pa ako, 19 na lang ako. Oo, te, sa kanang pamilya.
Ang kulit na ng bata.
Nakakaya, ano, kuya!
Vlogception!
Vlogception. Ay, wait lang yung amin, hindi ko naangat.
Guys, so they're leaving na. Bye! Congrats! Thanks for the chit-chat. Yay! See you guys soon!
Dadala ko ng 7X. Ay, my God.
Guys, so the grand opening is finally done. I am so tired and exhausted, so thank you so much to everybody who came, like Ate Pam, Ate Aisha, Ate Nina, Ate Joyce, and stuff like that. It was such an amazing day today, so please don't forget to follow my mom's store at On Display QC on Instagram and on Facebook. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I have exams this week, and then after that, finally it is Christmas vacation, so I could vlog more. So yeah, anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next vlog.